Hey there, it's Jared Hamilton with the Hamilton Group at Cherry Creek Mortgage. Happy Friday and welcome to another edition of Java with Jared. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Well, I'm at the airport here, dressed a little bit more casual. I have to travel today. Unfortunately, it's not for pleasure, but I wanted to get with you, let you know what happened with interest rates and economic data this week to keep you informed and keep you an expert in the eyes of your clients. Well, last week I talked to you about the unemployment report. That was a big shocker. That came in a lot higher than expected. It came in a lot weaker than expected with only 74,000 jobs. Expectations were for about 200,000 jobs. And we saw a big improvement in interest rates. That continued a little bit this week. We are a little bit better than where we started last week. Now, we saw it follow through on Monday, but then we lost some ground on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, we're making some of that ground back up. So rates are slightly better than where they started the week. So that's good news. In terms of economic data, we saw some housing numbers come in over the last week. We saw building permits and housing starts come in. Housing starts came in weaker than expected. It came in down 9.8%, but it's all about what you compare things to because it was over the previous month, and the previous month was a huge number. It was actually the largest number in about 14 years. So if you take out last month and you look at this number and compare it, it's the strongest number since April of 2013, and if you take that out, strongest number in about 7 years. So that's actually really good. Housing is continuing to do well. Building permits were down a little bit. However, that was due just to the cold snap that we all experienced in December. At least that's what the market is attributing it to. We did also see industrial production capacity utilization came in. Capacity utilization, which measures actually how productive businesses are, that was a little bit higher than expected, showing that there is a little bit of strength to the economy. Producer Price Index and CPI came in, and that was showing both about as the market expected, showing that there's virtually no inflation, so no big surprises there. So generally speaking, good week, saw an improvement to interest rates, and things are looking good. So if you ever have any questions, you always can get a hold of us. If you're working this weekend, so are we. I'm out of town, but my staff is available, so just give us a call, and we're happy to help. Hope you guys have a fantastic week. Thanks for joining me with Java with Jared, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.